controller A, the phone controller. Controller B, the mail controller. The first step, connect the controller A and the controller B. They have three common containing labs. So, first step, connect the two controller. 把它三根线连在一起。Okay, one, color to color. Okay, color to color. White and black. So you can see the thin lines. The thin connect the color to color. And the first step, you can find this one, the two blue lines. This one is the top drive, and this one the green and the black, the echo. So the first step, connect the echo and the top drive. So the top drive, this one. Okay. The top drive, the green and the blue, the top drive connect, and this one echo, the yellow and the red connect with the green and the black. So you can see. Okay. And so just follow the controller B. So you can find this one is long, the two orange and the two black, and the red one. This one is the key. So you connect with the key. Or you can connect with the one. Okay, also this one, the key. 把它这个拔掉，放到这个。Okay, disconnect. Okay. The key.